0 factorial is 1, or at least that's how we define it. But why 1? One view of factorials is that factorial means the number of ways to arrange a number of objects. N factorial means the number of ways to arrange n objects. For example, 4 factorial means the number of ways to arrange 4 objects. How many ways are there to arrange 0 objects? Since there are no objects to arrange, there is exactly one way to do nothing. So 0 factorial is 1. Another way we define factorials is through its recursive definition. N factorial is n times n minus 1 factorial. So 4 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, is the same as 4 times 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which is 3 times 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 times 1, which is 2 times 1 factorial. And 1 factorial is 1 times 0 factorial. So it has to be that 0 factorial is 1. How about with combinations? N choose k, as we say, is the number of ways to select k objects from n objects where order does not matter. Here's the formula for it. What if we select all n objects from the n objects? Think about taking all 52 cards from a deck of 52. The combination tells us how many ways to do that. Well, there is only one. You take every card. The famous gamma function. Here's its definition. Why the gamma function? Because the gamma function generalizes the factorial function. N factorial is the same as gamma of n plus 1. So after substituting n equals 0, 0 factorial equals gamma of 1. What should 0 factorial be? Well, according to the gamma function, it should be gamma of 1. Evaluating gamma of 1 involves computing an integral which equals 1. And if we imagine the graph of exponential decay curve y equals to exponential to the power of minus t, which starts at 1 when t is equal to 0 and exponentially decreases towards 0 as t increases. The shaded area under this curve from 0 to infinity corresponds exactly to the value of the integral which we calculated to be exactly 1. Supports the statement that 0 factorial is equal to 1. The factorial as product is the product of no numbers. For n equal to 0. This is the neutral element of multiplication. Defined as 1. Defining 0 factorial as 1 preserves consistency in mathematical formulas and series, such as the series definition for e to the x. This sum is only going to be true if 0 factorial is 1. So, therefore, 0 factorial is equal to 1.